Good morning. This is a quick review of actually getting into discussion board responses for your classmates. Okay, so what you want to do is go to the appropriate folder. We are currently in week 3, but for this example, I'm going to go to week 2. Okay. All right, you find the appropriate discussion board. Let's say, for example, you want to respond to your 2 classmates for the Chapter 3 reading response. You simply click on the title, and then all of a sudden, every thread that's been created, every post that's been created by your classmates is right here. All right, I'm just using this class as an example. Let's say, for example, you want to read Johnny's response. You then click on this green link here. Okay, he has it as an attachment. You can open that up. It's a Word document, so we can take a look at it. And then here is his reading response. He has his 3 big ideas at the top, just like he's supposed to. And then he has a paragraph for each one. You read his reading response actively with a pen or pencil in hand, sheet of paper, so that you can jot down any thoughts, any ideas, any commonalities. You then take that active reading and you type a response to him. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to navigate away from his reading response. All right. In order to reply to him, just simply hit reply. Okay. All right. A form will open up, and then you can type in your reply. Now, here's the thing. I don't necessarily always set a word limit on what your reply should be, but I think in between 50 to 100 words is a good response to a classmate's work. You are responding to their thinking, what it is that they expressed. And so I want you to look for any commonalities, look for any similarities, any of his thoughts or ideas that spurred new thoughts with yours. Then I want you to discuss them. And to make this super simple, it is really just about you imagining that you're having a conversation with a classmate, maybe over a cup of coffee, and you guys are talking about the assignment. That's all the response is. So I showed you the mechanics of how to get to it, but then also the expectations for what the response should sound like. I hope that helps.